Alrighty, let's get that last one. I think the last one works. I just thought it was a little bit loud, but listening to all of these, they had that gear one in it, so I think it'll be fine. This one, like all the other ones, has corrosion in it. So this one is a little bit newer than those other ones. It sounds just as bad as the other one, so I'm just going to clean this out a little bit, blow out some of the junk that's in there, and it'll be good to go. So there you go. 4 Sea-Doo Sea Scooters. This one also has a spot where you can mount a camera on there. I don't remember if the other ones did or not. I'll put it in the description if they did or not. Or I'll put it in a annotation if it did or not. But yeah, 4 of these for 80 bucks. Just need new batteries, which I can do that, no big deal. This just goes to show you, just having a little bit of knowledge on how things work, either mechanically or electrically, like how electricity works and that kind of thing. You can use that in all different kinds of projects. So I've never worked on these before. I've never seen one. I've never even touched one until I got them in my hand from that garage sale. So it was kind of a gamble because I could have got it, and like I said, that one had that one has this motor here that is totally, oh yeah, I forgot, while I was off camera, I undid it, and it kind of works now. But anyway, so you have one that had a bad motor, and I just was able to resource from a Power Wheels motor, was able to solder that in there, just your basic soldering, and got that one up and going. So all the other ones, I think it was mainly just having the that magnetic switch unfrozen after sitting for so long. And you can tell these guys, they kept them outside. There's a lot of sun fade and all that stuff. But anyways, again, hope you guys like it. Maybe might do a follow-up video next summer or something like that in the lake. It's already mid-October, so and I'm the type that has to have bath water to swim in. If you're okay with swimming in cold water, I'd like to know. Put that in the comments. If you're one like me that has to have warm water to swim in to enjoy it, let me know in the comments as well. Hope you learned something. Is definitely different. I learned a few things about this myself, so y'all comment, rate. We'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching. See ya. This will just be a bonus footage, but we'll see if... Yeah, you can hear that the bearing's bad. So that just goes to show you that let's just say that I couldn't find the other motor like this. I could have taken this apart, which is, there's a couple spots where this is soldered on and kind of bent over. You just undo that. This plastic piece will come out. This arbor will come out, and then you can replace the bearings. There should be one captured in here and one on this side. And then I'd clean up a whole lot more on the outside of that. But I'm glad we didn't go that far, because I don't know if I would have gone to that length or not if I couldn't find another motor that worked. But thankfully that one motor did work, and we're good to go. So alright, how about some bonus footage? Let me know if y'all like that bonus footage or not. If you don't, I'll stop putting it in there, because that's just extra time that I don't need to spend. Alright, so we just cleaned the pond today. Today's Saturday, so you can already see how dirty it is. Put new deck on. I don't remember if I mentioned that or not, but I was able to get a whole bunch of 2x4s and 2x6s that was cut in 2-foot lengths, and I was able to make this, and this is nice and super strong. Did the whole waterproofing, which is old motor oil, so it always works good. What's up, little bit? Sorry, Copper.
Her name is Copper Rose.
Copper Rose. Isn't she cute? How about a thumbs up for Copper Rose? Thanks for watching. See ya.